Another day isolated. What can I do? First, I wash my hands and face like I do every day. Then I get some breakfast going and watch some TV.
Hello, lady. Look at your man. Now back. Now
What's
back
up with all the commercials? I can't go on the porch looking like this. Wait, I have an idea. I'm gonna cut my own hair. Using a number 4 guard on my clippers, I make sure my sides are even and then I blend it up so it can match the top. Next, I trim my beard and line myself up. And I style my hair the way I like it. Now, we're ready to go.